Hey everyone, it's Ryder from Skip. Big news, the SBA is unveiling new credit lines of up to $5 million to fund small businesses and entrepreneurs. If you're looking for credit or financing options for your business, let me explain this news, which came out last week and is still developing. As always, thanks so much for tuning in, subscribing, and turning on alerts so you never miss out on anything funding or business related. And if you are curious about grants that are out there for your business, there are 5 due this week, up to $25,000. You can see details, read reviews, and see and prepare the questions right on the Skip app. The links are also in the description, and you can also apply for other financing options. Just click financing right here. And finally, before I get back to this big news, very much related to these new credit lines of up to $5 million, there are 2 bonus credit card offers ending this week. 75,000 points. That ends this week. All the details, including the application link, are in the description. We estimate that's around a $1,500 value. There is an annual fee. If you don't want an annual fee, another card from Chase, the Inc. Business Card, has a couple options, including $350 cash back. All the details and links are in the description. Now on to the big credit. The US SBA plans to unveil a new government-backed credit lines of up to $5 million. SBA Administrator Isabel Guzman told CNBC the SBA is launching a working capital pilot program in the coming months that is designed to be more attractive to both lenders and borrowers than the SBA's existing products. The SBA's new working capital lines will have an annual fee and maximum interest rates based on the prime rate plus 3% to 6.5%, which would be roughly 12 and 15% today. Here's one of the reasons, according to Administrator Guzman, quote, an ongoing challenge for small businesses who are trying to go after that contract, perhaps to help us rebuild infrastructure, or a manufacturing facility that's trying to expand its orders, is being able to have working capital to deliver against that. This project is part of SBA's effort to broaden its flagship lending program, which is the 7A program. If you want to apply for a 7A loan, aka working capital loans, up to $5 million. I have a link to that below in the description as well. That SBA 7A program backed more than 57,000 loans last year. That's an increase of 7% from 2022. Most of those loans were for less than $350,000. But the SBA's effort to provide revolving lines of credit have had less uptake from lenders and business owners than the agency had hoped. Loans larger than $150K will have a 75% guarantee by the SBA, limiting the losses that lenders face if customers can't repay their debts. Conversely, loans smaller than $150K have an 85% guarantee. According to the administrator, in an environment of high interest rates, we want to make sure that the SBA is an option for more businesses. Now, this is still in the works. Again, $5 million credit line as an improved option for the SBA. Basically, the SBA guaranteeing up to 75 or 85%, depending on the size of this credit. Do you think this is a good idea or not? Is this something that you would take advantage of? I mentioned the free grants on a Skip, which is often your best bet. You don't have to pay it back. But of course, grants are very competitive. Credit cards, lines of credit, and loans are 3 of the most popular options for small business owners looking to grow their businesses, especially with working capital. In fact, right here, you can see 4 of those options on the Skip dashboard. Do you think this may be a good option? Would you prefer an SBA 7A or microloan, or are you going after private options instead? Let me know in the comments. Most importantly, stay well, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.